Everything in your 3D reality will shuffle around in order to yield to you your end. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. Happy New Year. Today we are signing in from St. Bart's. And in this video, I am going to share with you exactly what you need to do in order for your 3D reality to shuffle itself around you, to yield to you your desired reality with ease and speed. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery. This is where I show you step by step exactly how to manifest a version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Your 3D will move mountains to yield to you your desired reality if you do this one thing. So no matter what it is that you are wanting to manifest, whether that's a version of your specific person that you desire, whether that's your ideal body, whether that's your dream job, whether that's more money, whether that's a car or a house, anything that your heart desires is already yours. It is already done. It is already available to you. And all you have to do to allow yourself to experience this reality is to simply think from your desired reality. That's it. It's that simple. Think from your desired reality using affirmations. Remember that affirmations are just the thoughts that you are thinking. And on average, you are thinking at least 70,000 thoughts a day. So then the question is, what are you affirming? So here's what you want to do. Let's take an example. Let's say that you desire to manifest a version of your specific person that is in a happy, committed relationship with you. All you have to do is curate an affirmation that implies your end. So maybe your affirmation looks something like this. Me and my specific person are in a loving, committed relationship. I'm the love of their life. Once you curate your affirmations, all you have to do is begin to think them as much as possible. That means you're going to be affirming, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. I'm the love of their life. And every time your specific person comes to mind, you want to be thinking about them from this perspective. You want to be thinking about them from the end. And that's why you have your manifestations, to keep you in your desired reality. Right? It allows you to think as if you're the version of you that already has your specific person. Now, when you do this consistently for a little bit of time, so that these thoughts, these new thoughts that imply your end become the dominant thoughts within you, your subconscious mind must produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. It is law. And nothing in your 3D reality can stop it. Absolutely nothing. Whatever needs to move to make your affirmation true that implies your end will move in the 3D, and you don't have to lift a single finger to make it happen. That is the job of your subconscious mind. The job of your subconscious mind is to take care of the how. Your only job is to keep your thoughts in check and think from your desired reality as much as possible and minimize thinking against. That's all you have to do, so that your new thoughts that imply your end become the dominant story within you. What happens with most people is that they'll begin to affirm, but then they don't really keep a strong mental diet, meaning they'll begin to affirm, me and my SP are in a happy, committed relationship. I'm the love of their life. But then as they're moving through their day, they are bitching, complaining, whining. They're thinking SP's an arsehole. SP said this to me last week. SP did this to me last month. This is you thinking against. This is you thinking against your manifestation. Or sometimes people will get really analytical about manifestation. Like, how many times do I need to affirm? Am I doing it right? Do I need to change my affirmation? And all you need to understand here is that the only thing that exists is the now. So when you are affirming, it is happening right now, because right now is all that there is. So don't worry about how many times do I need to affirm? Am I saying it right? Just begin to think from your desired reality. That's all you want to focus on. Begin to think from your desired reality. Think as if you're the version of you that already has your specific person, or the car, the house, the money. You can apply this to whatever it is that you're manifesting. It's all the same thing. You just have to practice thinking from that desired reality. Just focus on the now, because manifestation is instant. The minute you say it, it is instant. Boom, you are in that desired reality. But the only reason why it doesn't instantly show up in your reality is because of contradictory thoughts. Every time you think against, you're effectively slowing it down. And that's why you want to practice as much as possible to minimize negative thoughts. And the best effective way to do this, if you're somebody who's constantly thinking against your manifestation, is to honestly saturate your mind with affirmations all day long. You want to make sure that you have like focused affirming sessions during the day, like morning, noon, and night. Get some more in between if you can for like 10 minutes. Close your eyes, affirm, repeat your affirmations. And in between that, anytime you're doing tasks on automatic, you're like having a walk, or you're washing the dishes, or you're walking your dog, you want to be robotically affirming and thinking from the end. And the reason for this is not because you have to do X amount of affirmations in order for you to manifest. No, the reason for this is because you are stopping yourself from thinking against your manifestation, which delays it or blocks it, depending on the degree to which you are thinking against. So by affirming all day long, you're keeping your thoughts in check, which keeps you in your desired reality. And this then allows you to make the new story dominant within you. And remember, when the new story becomes dominant within you, your subconscious mind will produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. You don't have to worry about the how. It doesn't matter if your specific person lives on the opposite side of the world to you. It doesn't matter if they told you they hate you and that they never want to be with you. It doesn't matter if there's a third party. It doesn't matter if things ended on the worst term. None of that matters, because remember, when you begin to think from the end, anything that makes your affirmation not true will be moved, and you don't have to worry about the how. That is the job of your subconscious mind. It will reshuffle things in your 3D reality to prove to you that your end is true. But what you have to do on your side is keep your thoughts in check. Continue to think as if you are the version of you that has your desire as much as possible, and minimize thinking against your manifestation. If you do think against your manifestation, if you do catch yourself thinking, I don't have enough money, or my SP doesn't love me, or my SP doesn't want me, or I'm not my ideal body, all you have to do is just pause in that moment and redirect your thought back to the end. It is that simple. It doesn't matter that you think against. The key here is to not dwell in the negative thoughts and to actually do something about it and redirect it back to the end. That is all you have to do. And the more you do this over and over and over and over again, guess what? You are keeping yourself in your desired reality. You are creating a new state of being that says, I am the version of me that has my specific person where they love me, they adore me. I am the version of me that has X amount in my bank account. I am the version of me that has my dream job. And before you know it, that will become your dominant thought. And then your subconscious mind will produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. And you don't even have to lift a finger. It will come to you. Just dwell in your desired state, and your subconscious mind will take care of everything. Manifestation is actually really simple. Just think from your desired reality as much as possible so that you stop yourself from thinking against what you want. It is that simple. That's all you have to do. So when your new thoughts become the dominant thoughts within you, your subconscious mind will produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.